can hear that little knocking noise. That is the drop links. So I'm going to get this drop link fixed on this Honda Civic, and I'll let you know how you get on. Now I've had the drop links sorted out and fitted. Check out the difference in the drive. No more knocking. I've just deliberately gone over that hump really hard, and then the drive is nice and smooth, no knocking whatsoever, and the steering feels a lot more sharper and tighter. So I hope that helped everyone. Do like and subscribe, and see you.